Welcome back. Now, there are some Gutenberg embed integrations that don't fit neatly into any category. So for example, if we were to click the Add Block button, and in this case, if we were to type in TED, you'll find a TED embed for the presentation-based organization. And in this case, what we'll do is we'll click the TED embed, and we're looking specifically then for a TED URL. In this case, we come to a specific TED Talk. We'll grab the shared link. We'll copy that link. We'll then head back to our WordPress installation. We'll then enter the link and then click Embed. And then you'll have your TED Talk embedded into your post. In this case, we're going to remove this block. We're now going to click Add Block, and we're going to type in another embed, and this will be for a Kickstarter project. And all we'll need then is the Kickstarter URL. We can grab the URL, copy it, and then head back to our WordPress installation. We'll place in the code and then click Embed, and then we'll have our project embedded. We can then play it. In this case, we're going to remove the block, and we can also embed a specific meetup event. So in this case, we're going to click Add Block. We're going to type in Meetup, and then we're looking for a specific meetup URL. We'll grab the URL, we'll copy it, and head back to our WordPress installation. We'll then click Embed, and then we'll have our post updated with a meetup. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.